Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check this out. 2026 Grand Design Imagine AIM. It is a 19 MLA and new floor plan, really a cool floor plan. We'll get inside here to show you the goodness. We got a nice table here on top that slides out. Very convenient storage. Tandem axle. And we'll get inside. Just want to show you the campsite, and then this is really unique. So you open this up and you think, oh wow, rear storage. It's access to the back of the refrigerator, which is very handy, but it's just kind of funny when you open it up, you're not expecting that. Here is the off-camp side. You have your docking station, again, tandem axle. Let's get inside and show you this unique floor plan. There's the 19 MLA badging. So we're at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used service and parts. And we have a side cabinet here for your hang-up clothes. We have a drawer. We also have a cubby, great place to plug in your electronic devices. Nice size bed and plenty of storage under the bed with the pass-through storage. And then you also have these 6 cubbies to put items. You can put your shoes, bags, clothing, tubbies, whatever you might have. We have a dining table with 2 stools, TV above. Here is your lighting as well as your JBL stereo. As we move our way towards the rear of the coach, cabinet with 2 shelves, and then we have 2 drawers. Let me swing over here. Kitchen area. Smaller kitchen sink, but that's okay. This is a small unit and it's perfect in my opinion. We have a 2-burner cooktop, microwave, convection oven, refrigerator, freezer, corner cabinets, and then when we come to the bathroom, nice setup, plenty of storage in these cubbies, sink, shower, and let me back out of the way so I'm not in the mirror. And this is a very nice AIM coach. So any questions, comments, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate the support. Thanks again.